wow, I look gothic. So I got the new Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It is gorgeous, and I had to get all my creative juices out. So that's why we have a blood red smoky. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine, Gothic Catherine today. And today I just want to walk you through how to set up your bio on VIPKid. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into it. Let's start a screen recording. So we're going to go into the VIPKid app. Let's go to my accounts. Oh, no. Ah, okay. So it was my profile. Okay, so go to my profile. If you'll see at the top, it says the how to take a picture. Yeah, that's important. I don't know if you can see my picture. Let's go back. Right here in this little left-hand corner. Yeah, I took it against this wall. I had my lights done. I had a camera and I just took a picture. It looks professional and that's what they like. So keep it nice, keep it professional. Let's see, account information, contact, so featured photos. So these pictures, they say they want like pictures with your family, pictures with you playing with kids, animals, traveling, something that has your interest and shows that you do something other than sit here, you know? A well-rounded teacher, if you will. So, people love cats, animals, so I posed with my cat, which is that picture, and then this picture is me with the Statue of Liberty. Why? Because it says that I travel, and I've been there, and I'm from America, and that's American. Yeah. So, anyway, those are my favorite pictures of me, but they're nice and they got the job done. Oh, your greeting video. So, that's your intro video. I have a whole video about that and how I did that exact video. Your bio. So, what I would do if I were you, you can literally just copy what I wrote. I'll even write it out in the description for you so you can just copy and paste, but don't forget to put in your own stuff because I don't think your name's Catherine. You may not have graduated from the University of Alabama with accounting. So make sure you put in your stuff, but you can pretty much use this template because that's what I did. Just put some basic stuff about me. You want to be welcoming, you know, like, hello, my name is Catherine, and I'm so excited to meet you. I'm excited to see you in my classroom. And yeah. Top children. Very energetic teacher that loves to make fun and make learning exciting for my students. Outside the classroom, I love to swim and play with my cat, Sasha. My goal with VIPKid is to make learning English simple, fun, enjoyable, entertaining. I look forward to seeing your child in my classroom. So, I like to, it's important to share your like teaching style, so how you would teach their children, which is why I put, you know, I like to make it simple, I like to make it fun, so everyone has a good time and everyone understands, and I like to put my experience in there so that they know I'm experienced. I've done this stuff before. This ain't nothing new to me. Yeah, so I'm like super hyper. I ate a lot of peeps today. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I'll have this bio down below, copy and paste, again, put in your own stuff, but the structure's there, or something similar to this. It'll help you out. Here's your example of photos, and you'll be good. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash off my vampire makeup. I was gonna film another video, but I'm honestly hating the way this looks on camera. So I'm gonna take a shower. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss any fun videos like this, any instructional videos, any videos to help you make money online and travel the world and look like a vampire. Just kidding, don't look like a vampire. Please subscribe and like and all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. And oh, I forgot I have to get up at 4:30 tomorrow. It's fine, I'm fine. It's only 10 o'clock at night here. I'm bad at time management. Just kidding, we're working on it. We are working on it. Actually, it's only 9:15. We're good. We are Gucci. Alright. I ate so many peeps today. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram so you can see the peeps I ate. They're sour watermelon peeps, which sounds disgusting, but hear me out, was delicious. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It was so good. Anyway, so that's what I did. What did you do today?